A fleeting moment has the power to transform your life. Christopher Reeves had it all: fame, wealth, and, most importantly, a caring wife and children. He fell off his horse while engaging in his favorite sport. His whole life changed in a split second. He isn't on his own. All illusions can be shattered in an instant. A talented young man is involved in an industrial accident. He became mentally impaired as a result of it. How does he feel about his young family and the imminent birth of his first child? Some people suffer a major stroke that leaves them physically disabled and robs them of their mobility. Their sovereignty is stripped away from them. Some people lose their ability to speak for the remainder of their lives. The majority of their hopes have vanished. Nothing will ever be the same again. Some people suffer significant financial losses and have everything they have worked for ripped away from them, with nothing they can do about it. Consider the victims of the tsunami and Hurricane Katrina. Many people are attempting to restore their lives, but will things ever be the same again? On the plus hand, a big win at the lottery or at the gaming table will mean a significant improvement in one's life. The lives of the winners are dramatically changed. There is a silver lining. Some people are fortunate enough to find resilience in their illnesses and disabilities, significant financial losses, natural disasters, and violent crimes. They struggle to find new purpose in their lives amidst the dark hours and pain. They win battles with bravery, perseverance, and a positive heart. They establish themselves as pillars of their communities. Christopher Reeves lived the majority of his life as a quadriplegic, advocating for spinal cord injury recognition. His handicap never slowed him down. A sickness, an accident, natural disasters, financial loss, crime, abuse, and the death of a loved one, a windfall, a sudden career change, or opportunity are all facts of our world. Many people believe it will never happen to them, but it does. Today is the only day you have. Nobody knows what the future holds. Need a secret weapon to achieve abundance? Check this out. The one unusual discovery that lets you instantly manifest real spendable money, abundance, and pure bliss in under 6 hours. For more info, go to bit.ly/acmanifestprogram.